Today we'll be replacing the cabin air filter on this 2023 Toyota Tacoma. The process will be exactly the same for model years 2016 through 2023. Your cabin air filter will be located right behind your glove box. Make sure and remove any items that may be blocking your way. You'll notice a little ledge at the very roof of this glove box where you can place your fingers and pull up to release the cover. Remove the cover. The air filter is behind this retainer. First, you'll have to release two clips, one on the left and one on the right. Remove your retainer. Before you take out your cabin filter, make sure you pay attention to the arrows on the side. They'll usually say airflow down. Make sure your replacement filter goes in the same manner. Whoa, this one's way overdue. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. There's more on the way.